Alright, I'm in my straight truck, heading back down the deeded access. Right now I'm sitting on my property. But what I wanted to make note of is I'm going to share some body cam footage of Phil and all of his complaints and how you're supposed to maintain clearance and this my signs he's complaining about. But let's take note. Look at this disaster with all these limbs hanging over. I'm going to get out and we're going to take some videos of this. So, and again, like I said, I'm going to share some video footage of Phil and running his mouth. So, I'll shut this off so that you can hear me talking. So, let's see. So, here is these limbs. You know, you can see I'm hitting all the branches. We'll give it a shot. All that's supposed to be cut off. Look down the fence line this way. Still, all this should be cut off. There's a potential hazard here. So, and his property ends at that corner there. So it's supposed to be, the clearance is 20 feet wide and 13.6 high. So, and it's not. So I'm 11.10. So this one here, that's really close. I have to stay over to the left so that I don't hit that one. And then that's the end of his property there. So now it comes down here. Oh, we got nosy neighbor in the window. So here's the other problem is this is not 20 feet. So they do all this bitching also. So these cars, I measured this out. I'll go ahead and do it on videotape. The clearance that they have here between the edge, the sign, and this truck hanging way out, and these two cars hanging out, is only 16 feet. They're supposed to maintain 20. So, you know, you want to split hairs? Okay, let's split hairs. Come on, Phil. Get your chainsaw out.